What's going on, guys? It's Gerard. We're back and wetter than ever on the backyard mini ramp. It's been raining a lot out here, so we're trying to get a session in before the rain comes back. I've been focusing a lot on my to fakie trick, so I just learned how to 50-50 to fakie. And one trick that's been on my mind is fakie pivot to fakie, or switch nose pick is what some people will call it. I'm not consistent enough on my pivot to fakies to try that, so I figure a good kind of intermediary step would be fakie feeble to fakie. So that's what I'm gonna try today. I'm gonna do a couple feeble fakies to warm up, then we're gonna go for it. All right, feels good to get that one pretty quick. I think I landed it the first time within 5 tries. It feels really strange spinning all the way around front side going fakie, but I think getting that down is gonna make it a lot easier for me to get that fakie pivot fakie. For now, I'm gonna practice some more pivot fakies. Till then, see you guys next time.